Hey guys, Tony here. So really quick, I wanted to do a really quick video on Amazon and how this actually played out. I guess last time I talked about this was back on October 14th, and I guess we did pretty well. I mean, I forecasted that we either trade sideways or go, or trade up, go down, and then come back to 35.21, which is basically what we did after breaking this trend here. As of right now, we are officially in a, well, kind of like a short-term-ish uptrend right now. Let me delete all these for you guys, but, whoops. As of right now, you are in a pretty heavy uptrend, right? Pretty heavy uptrend. I can say with pretty good confidence that, this is pretty heavy on the upside, right? Especially for Amazon. You're basically moving pretty hard to the upside. I think we're still going up. I think you're gonna beat 37. What is it? 37.5594. So I think we're going higher. The weekly is super strong on the bullish side. So I don't want I'm pretty sure at most you're gonna see a drop to, like, I don't know, something like here, and then you're gonna like rebound to the high side. I want to say I'm like 99% sure that you're gonna see Amazon at like brand new all-time highs. I'll just clearly say that right now, right? I think right now, I mean, you already came, right? You had that gap to fill at 35.84, which you actually filled like right here, right? You filled around this area. You filled that gap that was created back here, back on July 29. So that was an easy fill on Amazon's part. I think at most, because you have the 4 hour turning bearish, I think at most what's going to happen is you're probably going to go down here, go back on trend, and then rebound and hit new all-time highs. I don't really need to do a big TA on Amazon. I think that's really what it is, or what's going to happen. And, even right now, if I had to put us in the channel, I'd say I wouldn't say that you can see it go parabolic, but I think anything above this bullish trend, I can definitely see Amazon spike extremely hard. So if you actually see Amazon break this top of the bullish channel, and you see it kind of go like this, you see it create fresh candles up here, like at minimum like 4 hour candles up here. I can see you do something like this, break down, and then run up super hard, right? But that's only if you actually see a break in the 4 hour channel right there. Only if you start seeing like really nice candles being created above right here. That's the only way that I can actually see. Actually, I'll turn this, what's a good color? Yellow, orange. There you go. Something visible, right? So I think for the most part, you'll probably bounce off trend right here. You'll probably see Amazon bounce off trend. I think a good accumulation would be down here at like 3600, and then you're gonna see another run up to the top of this bullish channel. I would not be surprised to see it run up again like that. So what was the last run, right? From low to high, 300 bucks. Same here. Low to high, 300 bucks, right? So I think the next time you create a low, maybe down here, you'll probably see another 300 move in about 7 days. So 7 days, 300 bucks, 308, 311. We'll go 300. We'll go at the lower end, 308 right there, right? So if you delete this, you delete that. Look at that. It puts us perfectly right on. It puts you perfectly right on trend, right? Like on the top side of that bullish channel. So yeah, I would say I'm like 99% sure that more than likely Amazon's going to come down, maybe retest trend and run up, or possibly just trade up sideways here. And in the next 7 days from there, I'd say by early December, you can see a almost $4,000 Amazon. Early December, mid December, I would be pretty confident in seeing Amazon hit 4K maybe by like mid December. But I think a little bit under 4K is achievable, as you guys can see right here. $3,900 on Amazon, maybe by like early-ish mid-December, I would say. But yeah, I would definitely think easily that Amazon's gonna come back, retest trend and run up, or possibly just trade up sideways like this. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.